Humans have always been creators, writers, artists, musicians, but now there's a new player in the game, AI. It's fast, it's relentless, and it's evolving every second. The question is, who truly owns creativity? Is it us or the machines we've created? Today, we are pitting AI against humans in the ultimate creative showdown. Ever wonder what would happen if Picasso had access to a neural network? Would he be out of a job or just more caffeinated? But before we dive in, let me warn you, what you'll see might challenge everything you think you know about creativity. Ready? Let's go. The rise of AI creativity, excitement and fear. AI isn't just about numbers and logic anymore, it's creating art, writing poetry, even composing symphonies. From breathtaking digital paintings to entire novels written by algorithms, the boundaries are blurring fast. And if that doesn't excite you, well, it should terrify you just a little. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find out your favorite new hit song wasn't written by a person, but by an algorithm. How would that make you feel? But let's hit the brakes. As advanced as AI seems, can it ever capture the raw emotion, the soul behind human creativity? Can it really understand heartbreak, joy, or the rush of inspiration at 2 a.m.? These are the questions we need to ask. Human intuition versus AI precision, tension and urgency. Here's where things get interesting. AI can churn out thousands of creative pieces in seconds, but it lacks intuition, something only humans have. Our ability to feel the art, to make mistakes and turn them into something beautiful. AI can mimic creativity, but can it ever truly create? That's where we hold the advantage. Unless, of course, AI learns how to have an existential crisis, then we're all in trouble. But time is running out. With each update, each new model, AI gets closer to cracking that creative code. The gap between human and machine is shrinking. The race isn't just on, it's accelerating. So who's going to win? The humans with passion and imagination, or the AI with its infinite precision and productivity? And if AI does win, what does that mean for us? Are we destined to be replaced, or will we evolve alongside it? So here we stand at a crossroads. AI is learning fast, but creativity is more than just patterns and algorithms. It's the imperfection, the humanity that makes it special. We can compete, but maybe the answer isn't competition at all. Maybe it's collaboration. Humans and AI working together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Now the real question is, how will you use AI in your creative journey? Will you embrace it, fear it, or find a way to turn it into your biggest ally? If this made you rethink what creativity looks like in the future, you'll want to check out my video on AI myths, where we separate fact from fiction in the wild world of artificial intelligence. Click the link on your screen now and let's dive deeper together. AI myths, debunking the top lies.